Hi, I'm Jason. If you manage a solar sales team, you already know that selling solar isn't just about closing deals. It's about managing people in the field. Every day you need to know things like who's working today, which neighborhoods are they covering, did they actually arrive, how many appointments did they complete, and did they collect the necessary information needed for the proposal. And if you have 10, 20, 50 sales rep, trying to manage all of that through WhatsApp, spreadsheets, and phone calls can quickly become overwhelming. That's where Connecteam comes in. Connecteam isn't a CRM for managing leads or building proposals. Instead, it's a workforce management platform that helps you schedule your sales rep, track their time, communicate with your team, complete digital forms, and organize day-to-day field operations from one mobile app. So, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how I would set up Connecteam if I were managing a solar sales company. We'll build a complete workflow that looks like this. Morning schedule, sales rep receives today's appointments, GPS clock in, then from there neighborhood assigned, customer visit completed, site survey checklist, photos uploaded, and manager reviews activity, and then timesheet ready for payroll. I've also included a link to Connecteam in the description and pinned comment so you can use to sign up for completely free and test it out yourself. Now let's jump into the tutorial. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you will be redirected to Connecteam's homepage. From there, you're going to tap on Start 14-day free trial and you can sign up using your email address. After you have created your account, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, the first thing you'll need to do is add your business or company information. To set this up, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on your profile name, then you're going to select settings. After you have selected settings, from here you'll be able to put in the company name. You'll also be able to add in your address and basic information. You can also upload your company logo by selecting logo and colors. You can add in the information right there. As you can see, you can also add in your company information, the amount of employees, and so on. Once you're finished setting this up, you're just going to tap on Save Changes in the bottom right hand corner. Then from there, you can select Close. Now that you have done that, the next thing you'll need to do is send out an invitation. So you want to invite your sales representatives. So to do this, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Users. After you have selected Users, you're going to tap on Add User. Then from there, you can tap on Add Manually for example's sake. Or you could choose to, for example, you could tap right here and you could choose to invite them. As you can see right here, you have different options. You can choose to invite by link, or you can simply send them a QR code that they can use to sign up. Once they have tapped that link, from there they'll be able to fill in their first name, last name, phone number, and also you can choose right here, for example, the employment start date. You can fill that in, and also their birthday. And the beautiful thing about Connecteam is it has a small business owner plan. So you'll be able to add up to 10 users right here, and you'll be able to explore that plan for completely free. Once you have created your team, you now want to create your sales team, so you can create different groups. To create a group, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Smart Group. And Smart Group is an option that Connecteam has that allows you to quickly create a group. As you can see right here, you can create a department, you can create location-based group. You have numerous options that you can explore. You'll just select Get Started, and from there you can create your group. After you have created your group, the next thing you want to do is now you're going to be setting up your scheduling or daily appointment. Now let's imagine tomorrow morning you have 8 sales rep working. Instead of calling everyone individually, you'll create your schedules inside Connecteam. To create a schedule, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Schedule. After you have selected Schedule, what I want you to do is from the top navigation bar, you're going to select Location List. And this is where you'll be able to add in the location that you'll be sending your sales rep. So you can tap on Create New and you can put in the location name, and then from there you can put in the address. After you have added that information, you're just going to select Save, then you'll close it. And now it is time to create your schedule. To create a schedule, you're going to see the option right here, Add. You'll simply tap on Add. And after you have selected Add, you're going to select Add Single Shift. Once you have selected add single shift, from here you can add in the time. So for example sake, let's say Monday morning, and then from there it will be 9 a.m. and it will be from 9 to, for example, 4 p.m. So I'll simply select 4 p.m. right here. After you have done that, from there you can select the location. After adding in the location, you can select the sales rep that you'll be assigning to that particular area. So let me select this sales rep right here. After you have done that, you're just going to select publish. Once I've tapped on publish, they're going to automatically get a notification on the Connecteam app. They'll also receive an email address. They'll also receive an email. So they'll receive two different forms of notification. Now let's look at one of the most useful features for field sales team, the GPS time clock. To access this feature, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on time clock. Now imagine Jason arrives at his first neighborhood. Instead of texting "I'm here," he simply opens the Connecteam app. From there he can tap on clock in and the app records start time, GPS location, employee and shift. And again, you'll be able to access this app for completely free, and if you have a large team of more than 10, you can go onto the paid plan. So you can view everything right here. So by simply tapping here, you'll be able to see if Jason is actually in the location, as you can monitor everything right here. You can also set up geofencing if you want. So you have numerous options how you can monitor it. So you can see clock in and you'll be able to see when they have clocked out. This helps management verify that employees are beginning work where they are scheduled, and some businesses also enable geofencing so employees can only clock in when they are within an approved work area, depending on how their account is configured. For companies with multiple field reps, this creates much better accountability than relying on phone calls. Now let's create one of my favorite workflows. Imagine your sales rep has finished speaking with the homeowner. Before leaving, they complete a digital site survey. So to create your site survey, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on add new, and then from there you're going to select, for example, all, and you're going to select forms. So you'll just select forms right there. After you have added the form, you're going to tap on add new. And for example, we could create a solar consultation checklist that would include, for example, customer interested in solar, roof inspected, roof condition acceptable, roof type selected, shade assessment completed, electrical panel checked, utility bill collected, and photos taken, and customer questions answered, and also follow-up appointment required. So notice what we have done. Instead of relying on memory, every sales rep follows the same process. That means fewer missed details when it comes to preparing a proposal. Now to create your checklist, you can either choose to start from scratch, or you can choose to use their AI feature, or depending on the niche, you can tap on use template and you can see if they have a template for your particular niche. So let's say we were to type in solar right here and see if they have one. No, they don't have one for solar, but you have numerous templates that you can access. Now you can also preview how the template will look. So this is an example right here. So let's say I were to select this template just for example's sake. You can see how the template would look right here. And if it's a case that you would like to use a template, I could tap on select, then I could choose to customize the checklist. So I could tap on the pencil right here and I could edit the checklist just like that. And also to collect any other thing that you don't see right here, any other requirement that you like to add to your checklist, you could tap on add field. And let's say I were to select image upload. Then from here I'll just type in photos and I'll select confirm. I'm going to select required and I'll select confirm. Now that I've added that option, you can preview how it would look on the mobile device by scrolling down, and this is where they'll be able to upload the photos. So for example, they can upload photos of the roof, electrical panel, meter, property access, and also tree coverage. These photos become extremely helpful later when your design or installation team reviews the project. Instead of driving back to the property because someone forgot to take a photo, everything is already attached to the job. Now let's talk about customer notes. So they'll simply tap on save right here to save it. After you have selected save, from here you can choose the users that you like to share it with. So you could tap on select all and you could simply select your sales team. So let me select that right there. And after you have done that, you'll tap on next. And then from there, you can simply tap on publish. And just like that, they'll always have the checklist on their mobile device. Now, let's imagine the customer says, I'm interested, but I'd like to wait until next month. Instead of trying to remember that conversation later, the rep opens the job notes, they record customer concerns, budget, timeline, preferred contact method, questions, and competitors currently being considered. Those notes can then be shared internally with the office or entered into your CRM as part of the sales process. And to access this feature, you can go over to the left-hand menu option once more. From there, you can tap on chat, and this is where they'll be able to add the chat. They can also tap on documents, and they could add it in the documents section right there. As if we were to tap on add new, you can see that there are numerous options that you are provided with Connecteam, as you can see right here. So you can collect surveys and so on, but that is where you'll be able to add the notes. And also when it comes on to Connecteam, we can talk about communication. As solar companies constantly deal with changes, appointments get cancelled, weather changes, neighborhood change, new promotion launch. Instead of creating dozens of group chats, Connecteam lets you send announcements. So you can simply tap on chat, and from there, for example, you can send an announcement to your team. So tomorrow's team meeting starts at 8:30, or all reps in North Hills should begin canvassing after 2 p.m. due to scheduled appointments this morning. You can do that. You can choose to have individual meetings with a particular team member, or you can use group meetings if you want. You have numerous options that you can choose from, and it also will let you know who has read your message, as you can see right here. Now let's talk about training new sales rep. As solar companies are always hiring, instead of repeating the same onboarding every week, you can upload training materials. To access this feature, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on add new. Then from there, you can set up onboarding. So for example, you can add in company introduction, solar basics, how solar panels work, and objection handling. You can add in all of those. Now, new sales reps can complete much of this training directly from their phone before heading into the field. Managers can also track who has completed the required training. And with Connecteam, with the document feature, you'll also be able to store documents and quickly access them. For example, you can store product brochures, pricing sheets, warranty information, installation timeline, and financing information, just to name a few. Instead of asking someone to email the latest version, employees can access the documents directly from Connecteam. In changes, you simply update it once. Everyone immediately has access to the newest version. Now let's put together everything. Imagine Jason's workday. 8:30 a.m. I'll receive today's schedule, drives to the first neighborhood, GPS clock in, visits homeowner, and completes site survey checklist, uploads roof photos and adds customer notes, and receives updated appointment from manager, then completes afternoon appointments and GPS clock out. After that, timesheet automatically updates. That's a much smoother process than relying on multiple apps, paper forms, and text messages. Now, who is Connecteam best for? I would say that Connecteam works especially well for door-to-door sales team, appointment setting teams, and field sales representatives. And with Connecteam, as I was saying earlier, you can get started for completely free and add up to 10 users. And if you have a larger team than that, you can always go onto their paid plan. You can see that their basic plan starts off at $29. And with this, you'll get all of the features that you have on the free plan, plus so much more. So that's how I would set up Connecteam for a solar sales team. Instead of relying on spreadsheets, phone calls, paper forms, and multiple messaging apps, you can create one organized workflow that takes your sales reps from their first appointment of the day all the way through to payroll. Thanks for watching.